Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smartband, and you can turn it on by plugging it to a charger. Once you plug it to a charger, the band will turn on automatically. And after it turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. And you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch or other smartband, and once you find it, tap on it to confirm. Or rather, tap on the button to confirm, my bad. Next, you will need to download and install the Honor Health application on the phone you want to pair your band with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store on your phone. In the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Honor Health and then tap on search. And you should see this application, Honor Health. Tap on install to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, tap on next, agree, and here select the region you want to use. I'm gonna use the United Kingdom, but you can use anything you like. Oh, my bad. Let's go back to the app, select the region, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Then tap next, agree, and you should see the health page of the app. Now tap on device icon, tap on add device, and if you need to log in into Honor ID account, do so. If you don't have an account, you can always tap on register to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password, and then I will need to basically enter the code from the email address to confirm. As you can see, we need to obtain the code and enter the code from the email address, so give me a couple seconds. Okay, we have the code. Let's copy it and paste it. And once you get the code and enter it, tap on confirm. Tap on trust and then tap on add device. Allow the required permissions and tap on add device again. And at this point, the app should start searching for the nearby devices and it should detect your Honor Band 9. Once it does, tap on it to select it. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Tap on pair. Here you can check or uncheck the boxes to allow or deny the option to auto update the or download the updates through the Wi-Fi, and the auto install the updates when the device is idle. So if you want to use these options, check the boxes. If you don't care, you can uncheck them. Then tap on complete, and here we can enable the notifications. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smartband. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel and keep it disabled, but if you want to enable them, tap on enable. It will redirect you to the device app and notifications. We need to find the Honor Health app, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then we can go back and allow rest of the permissions like this, and the notifications will be enabled. And now we can tap on back, tap on OK. Here we can tap on back, and at this point you should see the device page for your Honor Band 9, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this smartband with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.